Hello students, good morning to all. I Nandal Yadav, lecturer in English, SURAJ School Mahendragarh. SURAJ School providing a great opportunity to all the students to learn by the digital means and without hampering your study, that we are continue for your study as the digital way. In a previous video, in previous lecture, we have discussed about the topic notice, class 12. And in today lecture, we also discuss about the topic which also relevant to the class 12. The name of the topic is advertisement. Advertisement. Student, in your exam, there will be 4 topics, that notice, advertisement, poster and invitation. For class 12. These all topics that will be in a single question. There will be 2 questions and they both will be optional, that there may be notice advertisement, may be advertisement poster, and it may be poster as well as invitation. Any 2 topic may be in your exam, and that may be notice advertisement poster, notice invitation, and any other. This is also important topic from your writing skill for class 12. In a today topic, that we also discuss about the advertisement. As a definition, an advertisement is a good medium, it is deliberately used to influence the mind, motives, taste of the masses. Student, by these lines that you come to know about advertisement. In this word, an advertisement is a good medium. Advertisement is a good medium which is deliberately, 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 in other words, I can say that knowingly, this is the synonyms of this word, knowingly, used to influence means to give a strong impact on the minds, motives, tastes of the masses. Masses means people. And the major purpose of the advertisement, it also used in the form of commercial and business. Commercial as well as business and matrimonials. Advertisement basically used for commercial, business and matrimonial purpose. If we want to share any particular message, information, that we also take the help of advertisement. There are 2 types of advertisement. Types of advertisement: First one is classified. Classified advertisement. And second also display advertisement. Display advertisement. In classified advertisement, that it also published on the classified columns of the newspapers. In the classified columns, classified advertisement published, and display advertisement. This word show itself. Display means to show anything. And then such type of the advertisement that publish occasionally. And in this type of advertisement, the thing, the asset we are going to sell, that we want to display among the people, that also with the pictures. Like that in the time of the new year, like that any fasting, there are many advertisements in the newspapers, and the person who issue advertisement, that also give the picture of the thing, that like that refrigerator, motor car, bike, such type of the advertisement published in the newspaper, and such type of advertisement known as display advertisement. But such type of the advertisement not important for you. The classified advertisement are the most important for the students who are appearing in class 12. And in this there are some main points of classified advertisement. That first one is situation vacant. Situation vacant. Situation vacant. Situation vacant. Second, situation wanted. Situation wanted. Third, lost and found. Lost and found. After that, sale and purchase. Purchase. After that, fifth one is to let. Next one is on rent या for rent. For rent. And last one is matrimonials. Student, you think that all the options that have been written in capital forms, there also reason that if you give the any title of any advertisement like that, situation vacant, situation wanted, lost and found, sale and purchase, to let, for rent and matrimonial, the title of the advertisement will be in capital forms. That's why I also write in capital letters. And after that, one thing more, we discuss language of advertisement. Language of advertisement. We also write formal language as well as factual language. Factual language. Dear student, in every advertisement, you also give all the points as a fact. Not you also write overthink. You also avoid superfluous. You never write one thing again and again. You also write direct point in advertisement. And after that, phrases. You also can use phrases in advertisement in short form. After that, catchy sentence. Catchy sentence. You also write catchy sentence. It means short sentences with a direct view, with a direct vision, with a fact point. You also write in this language. You never think that what is the subject of this sentence, what is the object of this sentence, but you see that the sense of this sentence. And you also write attractive language. Attractive language. In this era, in this world, there is no more time to the readers that they can read your lengthy language. That's why the language of the advertisement will be short form, will be factual form, catchy sentences, and attractive form. And you also avoid superfluous words. There are so many words we always use, and that sometimes we also write that return back. Return back, there is also wrong sentence. We can also use one word. We can also use return. Back is not important at that time with this one. In this way, that we also write the advertisement in this form. After that, we also discuss about the topics of situation vacant. Situation vacant means any company, any school, any industry, any bank that offer a job. That's why the higher person of the company issue also publish an advertisement in the columns of the newspaper, and then the person also give all the details, what type of the qualification, how much experience that they require for the company. After that, situation wanted, that you want a job. You want a job in a company, in a school, in a bank, in a industry, and any field that you also want. After that, lost and found, that if you lost something, like that lost and found, this also written in the notice. But something which also lost in the particular area, like that you lost something in your school, that you write notice. But you lost something in the public place, that you also issue advertisement, because advertisements spread wide. After that, sell and purchase. If you want to sell, if you want to purchase anything like that motor car, like that mobile phone, like that laptop, anything, if you want to sell and purchase, you also publish advertisement. After that, sell, to let and rent. If you want to any house, flat, shop, and any site for a rent, to let. If you are offering, that you also write let, and if you want to give, that you also write rent. Matrimonials advertisement also related for wanted bride and groom. Such type of the advertisement write for the post box number of the newspaper. In such type of the advertisement, there is no any type of the personal number of any person. After that, format of advertisement. Format of advertisement. First, from the outside of the box, you write advertisement. You give the title of the advertisement in capital letters, situation vacant. Situation vacant. There may be situation vacant, situation wanted, need, requirement, lost book, found book, anything like that matrimonials, like that to sell, Maruti car, to purchase, any point, any title you can write from there. After that, you will give the space, and after that, from the next line, you will start your content. And the content area will be 40 to 50 words. Don't exceed from 50 words, and at the last of this advertisement you also give the details of the concerned person, name of concerned person, after that address and contact number, all these things, and contact number you also give the space. For example, your contact number is 9929976. You also give cross, you never write full letters of the numbers, your figure will be incomplete, you also give some cross points in any contact number, and your contact will be factual format. In this way you also write any advertisement. You also, and one thing more, if this advertisement is matrimonial, you never give your contact number, that you also write post box number of any newspaper, post box number of newspaper. This is the format of advertisement, types of advertisement, and in next class we will discuss some other points of advertisement. That's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day.